Hello and welcome to my second life. I'm playing around a little bit. I call it playing around. I got some updates to do. New pools came in, and I'm going to have to update or check them, make sure they can be seen with non-PBR viewers, and get it to match the rest of the place, the rest of the land. Anyway, I've decided to completely redo our two regions for Sims and Second Life, our rental property Sims. And I cleared out a lot. So many changes going on in Second Life that I decided it's time after so many years to clear out a lot, start over, change the general theme, which was always an ocean theme. But I left the houses there that are pre-existing houses, and I got rid of some townhouses. I'm going to keep my duck pond because my ducks need a place to be, and I'm going to put in some more water features around. But my idea is to build a simple main open area that's going to be a 9-hole golf course. I probably won't do 18 holes, even though I probably could do it covering 2 regions. But I'm not. I don't think we're gonna have that many golfers other than me and my wife, if my wife would, and my partner. Now you can see some of the water that was there on the left in front of the bigger house. I flattened this all out, brought it up above the water level, and I'll show you on the map how it used to be not too long ago, about 5 minutes ago actually. All of this was water. We used to have some other Sims that went around, but over the years we've downgraded as the rental demand has dropped. But so I really don't need the ocean theme anymore, because you really can't sail in a single Sim like this. You can boat, but you can't sail. I got rid of the docks and the boats and the sailboats, and they're nice for the view, but I even put in underwater features, but nobody ever wants scuba diving here. There are much better places devoted to those things. That's why I'm not going to build a full-scale golf course, because there are better places than I can design, and our focus isn't only on golf. It's residential. And I got to put gates back up. I took out the docks in front of this. They used to have water. This is my partner's house, my business partner. And together we run these 2 regions, Darling Estates and Darling Coast. So I flattened this all out, leaving the houses, and it's a big open area. So it's going to be a really interesting place to have a small golf course. Now, I used to have a golf course in the Sky area, but I redid that because it wasn't that feasible. Let me go show you here. I'll go to our office there and let that load in. I took out some rentals here because the townhouses I got rid of because we really don't want them anymore. I may put them back, I haven't decided yet. But this is my simple office area. And we've got a nice little club that I have for my people, my renters, my fellow inhabitants. And I got a bowling center and a fitness center. If you want to come in here, we can bowl. Different types of bowling lanes. Enjoy yourself that way. Let me jog over here to the fitness center. I made a very simple small fitness center. You can even hit the boxing bag, or the heavy bag, or exercise, or do some different kind of exercises. And our club is very simple. It's not meant to be a club where it's a venue for other people. It's really for my residents and myself and my wife to come dance and to hang out, listen to music, do what we want to do. Very simple design. I think I sometimes our tenants have parties there. We have a live singer that comes. But I'll come back through my office and I'll show you the back end where our horse stable is. There we go. This is a recent addition. I got rid of the golf course up here, which it wasn't working out, and put in a horse stable. I'm still working on it. Putting in trails and everything else. We got the horses there hanging out. You can stable your horses or your horse. And, but I'm going to show you my horse. He's back here. He's a moody little guy, but he's fun. I'm putting in a bunch of riding areas through forests and stuff. I haven't decided yet exactly how it's going to end up, because I have 2 regions worth of land to do. So the riding paths are going to evolve as I figure them out. Now here he is, Angus. He's a frisky boy. He's probably mad at me for ignoring him today. Now on the other side of this rock is Darling Coast, and right now I'm in Darling Estates. And the riding areas I've only developed for here for now, but they can still, if someone wants to ride a horse, they can still ride out right through here into the big open space, into this area. Now I've blocked off the runner properties that are on the ground. See, if you see here's where I am, and here's the outline there. That's a parcel, somebody's property, home property, where the home is, and the rest of it is public areas. So each one of that is somebody's home or a home for rent. So I blocked them off up here, or cordoned them off basically, so I know where I can have people ride. The golf course up here didn't really work because of the physics of the ball. Sometimes it went through the ground and fell the 2,000 meters to the real ground. And so I decided to do it this way. I'll get rid of this belt. That hammer's bugging me. I'm going to get on down the line now. Call it a day. I just wanted to show you a little bit of that. Take care.